Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. This is one of the biggest opportunity for you if you are graduation or if you are pursuing your career also, right? This is the right place to apply from this top. If your career started with the data analyst field, when you can able to apply from the data analyst intern this is one of the best opportunity for you as when this is the internship was and consider what is eligibility criteria from this internship. Okay, and also if you have small request guys, if you really like this video, like, subscribe my data analytic, and also I will conduct in the mock interviews. If you are interested, please you send your details. At IT and non-IT also we are conducting the mock interviews. Okay, and when if you are participating in the mock interviews, when what is the benefits you wanted to get it, when you wanted to participate in the mock interviews, when you want to get the some of the experience related to the interview, and also are providing from the what is the interview questions also are providing, and job opportunity also are providing, right? My friends are working for a lot of IT companies. I definitely will share your resume. If you are interested, only if you send your resume or you are participating for the mock interviews, then my team will be contact to you definitely. Okay, let's go from the video, right? Yeah, and you can able to see what is this data analyst intern is one of the biggest opportunity I thought. Why means in the IT field is one of the biggest two data analyst interns, right? And this is unpaid. When we can get the this only remote only, we have work from home is not work from office, right? And when you want to participating is not getting any amount, but you have working home only, when you can able to get some real-time experience or also some experience later also if you get it, right? And one more can able to see, yeah, if you're data analyst is a part of a remote team. This have the some team also can available from the remote is our 5-6 numbers I thought. Okay, whether you have student or recent graduation, someone can able to apply from this internship programming. If you are a student or you are recent only graduated, you can apply for this job, right? And go with the one more is the developer is analytical skills handling the environment. If you have the analytical skills, we have learned any kind of Power BI, Python, and SQL Server, anything, whatever. When you want to learn this type of skill, you can easy to shortlist your resume, right? And go with the one more. What is the skills wanted to require? These skills is the Excel want to confirm how to require the Excel and SQL Server. SQL also you want to require. Okay. Learn is supporting the remote team only. If you are also work on remote team, and if a student recent graduation data analyst in statistics and similar. If you are know the statistical also, the graduation is a statistical field. If you apply from this job, and also consider one more, if you are interested strong interest analytical report also, if you have the create a analytical remote skills also, if you want to require, and also problem solving and Google Sheet and SQL Server Python knowledge also if you are required from this, right? And one more, yes, application deadline was June 10th. Is the one of the application 10th is have the more 4 days only, more 5-6 days only will be there. Please apply for this job guys. The deadline was June 10th only. And also I will give the description for you, the job description, and I will give the description for you this link, and please go to this link and apply for this job guys. Okay, yeah, and go with one more, yeah, you can see the more details. Yeah, if you apply for any kind of job, if you think the more what is the most important things what to require is the most important things is a required for you. If your resume, the resume is the most important when for apply for any kind of job. When you can see your resume, right, you can see the what is the skills are there, what is the eligibility criteria is there, and you can see the what is the objective to there, right? And you can see the what is the graduation if you are pursuing or completed graduation there, everything is important from the resume, right? Everything is important guys. Okay, and this is one of the biggest opportunity guys, please don't miss it. Okay, and if you really like this video, like, subscribe my data analytic, and if you want subscriber to get the motivation myself. Okay, bye bye.